Hello, everyone. Welcome to this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, almost weekend. Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, and a binary. Yes, and we start first with the Sudoku with 1 star, and this one will be a number 1670. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have already counted. There are here 27 printed digits as usual. 27. If you don't believe it, just check it. Okay, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 3 and the 9 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, how about these 3 numbers? Those numbers are the 1, the 2. And I see here 2, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. So, the 2 numbers left, 1 and 7 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, only place for the 4 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes are left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second column for the numbers 3 is missing, and the and the 9 is missing, I believe. The 9, yes. 3 and a 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. We have a pair also in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 7, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yes. Alright. 2 in this column. 2 in that column, so the middle column. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. Let me see. 5, 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. And this should be the 3, and this should be the 9. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. How about the number? Let me see. One number left in the middle row for the number 7 is missing. How about D? No, I cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, well. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, 2, 3. Alright. I need a 7. Yes. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see for another digit. How about 5, 7, 5, 8, yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 5, the 7, and the 8. The 8. The 8 we have here, no 8 there. The 8 over there we have, so no 8 here, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The 7 and the 5 now. 7 and the 5, we have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see, yes, digit number 3. 5 in this column, the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be and there. Then. No, I cannot continue with the 5. How about these 3 missing numbers are the numbers 1, 9, and 4. 194. I cannot fill this yet. 194 in this column. 194. That means 1 digit left in this column for the number 6. These 3 numbers in this big square. 1, 8, and 4. 184. No. Cannot fill this yet. How about this last row? These 2 numbers, 8 and 4. Look, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 1. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4. 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. 1 digit left in this row, the third row, for the number 1. 1 is missing. Yes, 1 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9 again. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6 again. Yes, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 5, and 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, I like this Sudoku. Yes, very quick to solve. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds. I will continue with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.